Mark here from miecctv.co.uk. In today's quick tutorial we're going to be looking at how to deal with error 2015 on your SADP software. Now this error occurs when you're trying to set an IP address up of either a camera or an intercom system, and you want to adjust the IP address onto the network's range, but your computer at the time and the camera are on different subnets. So what happens is it will actually not allow you to either enable the DHCP or manually set the IP address, and it will present you with the error 2015 and it will say others. So what we need to do is make a little change to our network adapter, which then allows us to set the IP address, and then we can change our network adapter back and we're good to go. So firstly, what I'm just going to show you is this error occurring. So as you can see, we've got a few devices in our SADP software. This one in particular is an intercom, and as you can see the IP address of it is 192.0065. If we click on enable DHCP and then enter the password, we get the error. Now this happens if you click enable DHCP, and it will also happen if you try and manually specify the IP address. So now that we've just proved that it will show for DHCP, now we'll just show you if you go back in and you try and put it on an IP address that's within your range. We use a .66 subnet, so we'll just alter that, and we'll make sure we alter the gateway as well. We enter in the password and click modify, and we still receive the error 2015 error. So this is what we need to do. In the bottom right hand corner you'll have your network adapter. You want to right click on it and click open network and internet settings. Then you want to click on change adapter options. Then you'll see your local area connection. You want to right click on it and go to properties. You want to select internet protocol version 4 and then go to properties. So now what we're going to do is put our network adapter on the same range as that camera. So it was 192.0.0.25. So we just use any IP address as long as it doesn't clash with it. So we'll just use 192.0.0.5. Once I've done that, we can click close and we can go back over to the SADP software. Once we're there, this is where sometimes people will trip up. So if we click enable DHCP now and then try and modify the password, we still get the error. What you'll have to ensure you do is close down the SADP software, reopen it, and now when we try to change the IP address either using DHCP or by specifying it manually, it will allow us to do it successfully. So as we can see, it says parameter modifications completed. As you can see now, it's giving us an IP address within our network range. So the only thing left to do is change your network adapter back. So we go back into where we were before, click on properties, go into the internet protocol version 4, and we just want to set that back to obtain an IP address automatically. Okay, so that completes this video tutorial. Hope it's been helpful. Remember to drop a subscribe on the video, smash the like button because it really helps us out, promotes the video across YouTube, and if you've got any further inquiries, either drop them in the comments below or you can head on over to our website if you're looking to purchase any Hikvision gear.